All right. What we're going to do, we're just actually going to, you can download apps from Splunkbase, and I can just go splunkbase.splunk.com, and I can search for them there. Or if you have internet access, you can just install it right from Splunk. And I'm going to do that method. We're going to find more apps. The number one app that I just cannot live without is Lookup Editor. For those of you who are using lookups, go no further than this app right here, the Splunk app for lookup file editing. They keep changing the name on this thing. Kind of drives me nuts having to keep track of what it's being called each day. But I'm going to accept that. Let this install. The app is being installed. We're done. We can just now go here. We'll refresh this page. And now we have the Splunk app for lookup file editing. Before this app existed, we would load up CSVs and hope they worked. Create KVs and hope they worked. When you need to make a change to it, you try to write a Splunk query and save the results, or upload a brand new file. The Lookup Editor allows you to actually modify the lookups in Splunk without having to do it the old-fashioned with looking up a file. All right, this gives me a list of all of my systems. We can see here's an example.csv from Splunk Dashboard Studio. Let's go open the firewall example CSV. I just click it, and I have a CSV with columns and tables. I can edit, I can delete, I can insert, I can modify a field, and I just hit save and it's done. Really simple. It also manages backup, so when you make changes, it will actually store it as a backup, and if you make a mistake, you can revert to a previous version. Makes things amazing. Additionally, creating CSVs and KVs has never been easier. You can come in here and you can create a new lookup. You can make a new KV or a new CSV. Let's go ahead and we'll make a new CSV. We can name the CSV, put it in an app, modify the headers, and write our data in. Or if we already have a CSV, we can just hit import, select the CSV, drop it down, and it is ready to go. Hit save and you're off and running. KVs are done similar. Just go KV store lookups. Make your field, choose the type, remove any unnecessary fields, and you're good to go. You got those fields and you're golden. Makes it really, really easy. Hit that create lookup and you've got yourself a new lookup.